Today let's have a deeper look inside inheritance in PHP. PHP supports single inheritance wherein the child class has only one parent class. In all these cases, there is only one parent class. In multiple inheritance, there are two base classes which is not supported in PHP. In hybrid inheritance too, it has more than one parent class, thus it is not supported in PHP. So multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance are not supported in PHP, whereas all these single inheritance mechanisms are supported in PHP. Class A inherited by class B, which in turn inherited by class C. Here class A is a parent class of both class B and C, which is a valid single inheritance. In our previous day video, we had shown only inheritance from class A to class B. Today we shall see how class B and class C can inherit from a single parent, that is class A. By the way, inheritance is a mechanism where objects of one class acquires the properties of objects of another class. As told before, in this example we will show a simple, very basic example wherein class B extends class A and class C also extends class A. This is a valid single inheritance in PHP, object-oriented PHP. To illustrate the point, I'll take a method called display inside the parent class, that is class A. Now since we have extended, that is inherited class A to class B as well as class C, the display method should also be present inside class B and C as well, which we would demonstrate here. Now I'll take an object of class A. Using this object, that is obj, I'll invoke the method display, which would output inside class B. We have stored our file inside a directory called OOP. The file name is inheritance.php. Okay, it's outputting the proper string here. Now I'll take an object of class B, which also has a display method since it has inherited it from base class A and it's proven now. I'll take an object of class C, which also has a method display. Hence inside class A is output. So this is how class B and class C inherits from a single parent class, that is class A. For previous example, that is a class vehicle is a base class which has been inherited by another class called car and another class called bike. Because both car and bike has some similar functionality and property like color, acceleration, deceleration, etc. So all these things can be written inside the base class vehicle and then extend those features to the base class car and bike. This is a simple example to illustrate that in PHP it only supports single inheritance, that is it should have only one parent class. If a class has more than one base class, that is not supported by PHP, that is multiple inheritance or hybrid inheritance is not supported by object-oriented PHP. Please look at our other video about inheritance on our blog technotip.com. Also the link to the notes of this video is present inside the description section of this YouTube video. Please share this video with your friends on Facebook, LinkedIn, Google+, Twitter, StumbleUpon, etc. And please don't forget to like this video on YouTube.